Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Depop account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in depop.com/sign up, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign up interface of Depop. You'll be able to find several sign up options over here. You'll be able to find the options like continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with email. So simply click on the sign up method of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option continue with email. If you also clicked on the option continue with email, you'll be directed to enter your email address. So simply click on the field of email address. Now provide your email address over here. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now a verification link will be sent to your email address. So what you have to do is launch open Gmail. Simply go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Depop has sent you the email, so simply click on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the button sign up to Depop, so simply click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this interface. What you have to do is enter your first name, username and location over here. So simply click on the field of first name. Now enter your first name. Likewise enter the username for yourself. Now you'll have to select the location. So simply click on the field of location. Now you'll be able to see various countries over here. Simply select the country of your choice. Now what you have to do is click on the continue option. Now after doing all this, your Depop account will be created. So that is how you create Depop account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.